Hey babies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Okay, as the title says, I have a lovely wholesale haul today. It's like an end of summer haul and I'm not reviewing any more summer clothes. After this is my last one. So these clothes I purchased is at Lovely Wholesale. They contact me and I want to get this haul out of the way because I've had these clothes for a long time. But I'm here now to do it. So before we start, I have a coupon code, which is a unique coupon code, which is Janet10, and it gets you 10% off. I will have it down in either on the screen or down in the description bar. Okay, so the first item, and I'm going to be looking at my notes because I don't know the name of these clothes. The first item I have is what I have on now, and this right here is the lovely casual camouflage printed one-piece jumpsuit with elastic. Now this sells for $10.99. So this material is polyester and the style is casual. The size that I got was a large. Let's take a look at this. Now this outfit right here is super stretchy. Super stretchy. Oh, first off, let me go ahead and put something down and let you know that whenever I do my try-on hauls, I do not wear no shapers. And the reason why is because I want you to know and see exactly what it is you're getting into before you put shaper on. You can wear shaper with it, and when I do wear it, I will wear shapewear with it. But for the purpose of the video, I do not wear any shapewear at all. Okay? So, this right here is a jumpsuit. And it is the camouflage material. It's very stretchy, but it's like I thought it would be like a spandex type situation. It's not. It's more polyester, like a stiff one, but it does stretches a little. So you'll have this up here. Now this is a large, like I said. In the front it has super on it. You know, like they had the Supreme signs, but this has super. I think it's very unique, very nice. The arms is kind of like keep rolling up on me, but. Well, actually on this arm, because you know your girl has the juicy arms. Okay, so it's form-fitting, very form-fitting, very form-fitting. It's like really nice and smooth. The material is like really silky, really smooth. So let's turn around the back. In the back, it comes with a zipper that I had a hard time zipping. A zipper in the back, and it shows your curves. It shows your behind if you have one. I think it's very form-fitting, very nice and very chic looking. This reminds me of like one of those, what can I say? Like if you want to put on an outfit for like Halloween or something, you know what I'm saying? It puts me in that vibe. Like if you know, like they had like the little costumes like the Superwoman and all them other costumes, the Batman, Superman, all that. It's that type of material, it feels like. But overall, I still will wear this because I think that it is really pretty, really cute, really form-fitting, and really nice. So this right here, I will pair it with, like, I will probably put on like one of my fanny packs. I have a green, like Gucci type one. I will wear that fanny pack, and I will go ahead on and probably put on a pair of tennis shoes with it. Like maybe I have a pair of tennis shoes this color right here, like the army green. Or either you can pair it with a white pair of tennis shoes. I will, because you have the white inside the super. I think it is really nice. Some of us plus size girls, we kind of stray away from outfits like this because it shows all of everything you have. You know, if you see, you can see my underwear print right here, and in the back you can see, you know, your print, your underwear print and everything. But overall, it's still a really nice jumpsuit, so I really do like it. Okay, y'all, so here we go again with another romper. This is basically the casual printed yellow camouflage one-piece romper. The price is $12.49, and this is polyester right here, and they say the style is sexy. Okay, so y'all, let's talk about this one here. Now, it does zip in the front. If you see the back, it looks like it may zip in, maybe the front, but it's not. The front actually is where the zipper is. And this right here, y'all, this is what I'm tripping on. Just like a pair of panties, pair of underwear or something. You see the way it's shaped? It's only there in the front. It's not there in the back at all, and it's giving me like a serious wedgie back here. Now, with this outfit right here, I feel like this is like like if you're going scuba diving or something, that's what I take, you know, from this outfit. You know what I mean? It's really nice and silky like the last one. This right here is very stretchy. I will put at the bottom what the size of it is, because the last outfit that I showed you guys was not a large, it was extra large. I apologize, but I had it wrong. So okay, let's get into it. So this right here, like I said, this is very form fitting, but I'm gonna tell you something right here. It is like giving me like camel time up in here, and I mean, if you like it, to each his own, that's what you like, fine, but it's not like kind of like splitting you in, but it's like grabbing you completely up in that area, your pie area. But in my behind area, I don't know what that really looks like a whole lot. Let me kind of, and if I pull it up, it's probably gonna wedgie me more. In the back, it looked like it's like really giving me a wedgie. It looks like from the side right here, to me, it looks kind of crazy because they have the underwear area, and I don't have any shapewear on, guys. Like I told you, I do not do shapewear whenever I am going to review a product, especially if it's clothing, because I want you to see exactly what it looks like. Okay, without shapewear. Okay, now this zipper right here does go down, so you can wear it like that, and I will wear it like this because I feel like I'm like suffocating like up the top of here, y'all. So I will wear it loosely like this. The colors in it is really nice. I like the camouflage print. I thought that this was actually going to be like spandex or whatever, not polyester. So I mean, I'm kind of like well, disappointed a little bit, but not disappointed. I mean, it's still, if I was to go to, I don't know, where would I wear this at? I don't know, because it's like, I don't know. It looks like something you would wear scuba diving. You know what I'm saying? You put on your little water shoes and, you know, your little goggles or whatever, and you go. I don't know. But I know that I would not wear this like outside like that because of the way that it looks like it has the panty area right here. That's the reason why I would not wear it. The whole front look like it belongs in the back. But to each his own. This outfit is very form-fitting though. It is very form-fitting and it is very cute. But for me, it's not what I expected. But it really is nice. Maybe you guys can find something that, or you may like it, or you may find something to, you know, wear with it, or go where, you know, wherever. You can find somewhere to go with it. I don't know. But me, myself, this was not for me. It is cute, but it's not for me alone. Up in here, I can feel that it's not even fitting me. It feels like it's air right here, like it's a air pocket. And actually, this polyester is like really making me kind of hot. So I'm going to go ahead on to the next outfit that I have, okay? Okay, guys, this is the next outfit right here. And this outfit is killing it. I'm telling you, this one right here is killing it. I went and took my brassiere off. So y'all know I like all of this section. It's all of it. This is what I like. I don't have a brassiere on, nothing, so the only thing that's holding these boobs up is this right here, guys. So I don't know, it may slip down, I don't know, but this right here is the Lovely Sexy Deep V-neck printed green one-piece jumpsuit. It sells for $12.99, and this material, it just says fiber, material fiber, that's all it says. The style is casual. And it is, I will put down below what size it is. Okay, so I love the lace tie. I love the tie up that it has right here, first and foremost. Now you can take this loose and probably tie it around your neck or whatever you want to do with it. It does not have any sleeves at all. I think that the back is really nice. I love the way the back fits me. Y'all know I have a flat behind, but I love the way it fits me. Yes. For y'all who keep telling me I'm not a damn plus size, I am a plus size, okay? If you're 14, you still a plus size, baby. 14 and up is a plus size, okay? All right, boo, thank you. Okay, so the material is very nice and stretchy. You get a lot of room in here. And I think that this is a large. I'm not sure. It could be a large or extra large, but I will have it down below what it is. But I'm telling you, honey, this outfit right here, very nice for the summer. Very nice for the summer. Even if you had like a little shawl on or something like that for the fall, I think you can even get away with it when it's not too cold. You know what I'm saying? And with this, I would actually wear a pair of heels. A nice little pair of heels. This is with the bottom part. They go all the way down to your ankles. I would wear a pair of heels and I will put on a nice, maybe the heels, like a brown pair of heels and a nice brown bag. Nice little sexy little casual bag, you know what I'm saying, and you know, just get your little walk on with it. But I would actually go out with this outfit on too, because I think it is really, really sexy, really nice. Summer ready, baby. But also, you can wear sandals with it. You can wear sandals with it also. I think you can, but I would wear some heels with this, honey. I would wear some heels. Now, okay, let's get into it. I don't like the fact that it cuts me up in here too much. Me, the way I am, I'm always getting clothes, and the way I'm shaped, it's like it cuts me up in here. And my underwear is like all the way down here, so you can see through, see the print. You can't see through it, but you can see where your underwear stops, where it go, you know. I don't like that. Exactly where your underwear are in this outfit, so I don't like it. I do feel like little air up in the middle up here. If you can see, it looks like it flares out right there. I don't like it. I wish it was like a little bit more up in here than to be just stuck straight out like that. That's the only part I don't like. So I think that this outfit is really, really nice though. It has really nice, good prints in it, oranges, pinks, greens, and it's like a little forest type something, but watery like forest. I don't know, but it's cute. Let me see if I can move it closer where you can see. And you can see where it like cuts everything off, because I don't have shapewear. Like I said, we don't do shapewear here. Okay, so, and I'm sweating like crazy. I really do like the outfit. Okay, baby, so the next outfit that I have is a casual off-the-shoulder geometric printed multicolored knee length plus size dress. That's a whole lot. This sells for $11.99. But I also said, y'all, if you use unique code, which is Janet10, you can get 10% off on your order. Now, this material right here is called blending, and the style is street. The pattern type is letter, and the sleeve style is regular sleeves. Okay, I will put down below what size this is right here. Now, I really love this dress. This dress, when I saw it on the website, I said I have to have it. It's a must-have to have it. But if you see me just getting my hair, it's really, really, it's like elastic up here. It's really tight. Right here on the arm, oh my goodness, she is killing me, like at the arms. And she's an off-the-shoulder, so this is what she looks like. I really, really love this dress, really do. I love the fact that it gives you the nice little flow that you need. You could be like not trendy in this dress. You can be like very up to date. I like this dress because of the fact that it has all these colors on it. It's very stylish, very, very stylish. I forgot the type of lettering that it gives to me, like a dupe for something. Now, the material is really stiff. It's kind of like stretchy but stiff at the same time. Now, if you overstretch it, you can be able to mess the, it goes white. If you can see that, you should overstretch it, it's going to go white on you. So that I don't like. So I will put the size of this. If you are my size, then you probably want to get this, but I don't know about your arms. Your arms may not be as big as mine, but this is like killing me. It's so super tight that it's killing me. But overall, I still will wear this dress because this dress is like really nice. But I think I would just go ahead and cut this part at the bottom off, because the elastic part, because it hurts. I'm telling you, it really hurts. Even for me to do this video, it's like really pinching my skin, making it red. But at the same time, I'm going to finish this video for you guys. So this dress, I would not have tell you to wear up on the off the shoulder, because if you wear up off the shoulder, then this part right here is going to hit you up at your neck area, and it's going to look really, really crazy. So you might want to just stick with the off the shoulder situation right here. I really like this dress. It's like casual like, and it's like, you know, it's like Richie looking, if I can say that. Like, you know, like you have style, you have class to you. So I like this dress for that. It reaches all the way down. I don't know if you can see the bottom of it. It reaches all the way down past your knees, and it gives you a lot of room. A lot of room to be able to move around. Now the back of it, I like it. It's not like I feel that air right there. It fits really nice to me. It does. I would wear some shapewear with this though, because you still can see the bulkiness that I have up in here. And it's, I mean, it's okay. This is my body, honey. I'm not ashamed of it, honey. Not at all. But sometimes you may just want to enhance what you already have, and it's okay. So this has checkers in it. It has all types of prints in it. We have blue, green, red, turquoise, white. We have yellow. We have everything in this dress. I think this dress is like really, really nice. Out of all the outfits that I got, I think that this is one that I really, really like. And well, this could be my first one I like, and then the romper, which has the tie up. I like stuff like this because it's naturally just comfortable. I like comfortable stuff. Every now and again, I don't mind putting sexy on, but this is kind of sexy in its own little way too. So this concludes my lovely wholesale haul. I hope you ladies enjoyed the haul. Tell me which one you like. Tell me what you think about the clothing from Lovely Wholesale. Do you think it's worth the money? I mean, it's really cheap. It's really cheap, and then plus you get the 10% off. So I think that for the money, it's okay. For the money, I will go ahead and give it a thumbs up because it's really cheap. They're not asking for a whole lot of money for you to be able to get these outfits. Some of us don't have that kind of money, so stuff like this, you just have to probably put your little tweak on it, and honey, it looked like you paid a lot more than what you really paid for it. Okay, so you know, like J Baby always says, what you say, J Baby? J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.